How to add pictures to a TikTok video. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account over here. As you're logged into your account, tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on the plus icon, it will land us to a new page over here. So just make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. If not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So just tap on this plus icon, and as you do that, here you'll be able to select the gallery icon as well. So just tap on the gallery icon, and here you can just tap on the photos option and then select different photos over here. You can select multiple pictures as well and then tap on next. As you tap on next, now it will just create a TikTok video for us over here. So you can now add music over here, you can add transitions, add filters and so on over here, and then tap on next and you can post it on your TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.